It just keep coming out. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with another video. Today, y'all, today I'm gonna talk about my 10-month update. This is 5 because I can't hold up 10 right now. And my 11-month update. Tomorrow will make 11 months Sister Lock. I had to come back to one of my first locations that I filmed. I don't even know if y'all recognize this spot, but let me take you back and let you see where I was at this point.
Keep up with my journey, showing you our style and just letting you know what's going on with my hair. Today, I'm going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly of my installation because I have some pros and cons of my installation. I want to make sure I keep it real.
Dang, woo, Lord. Oh, gotta have my babies. They cold too. Okay, so I got a lot to talk about. I can't even sit down. Let me sit my butt down. Let me sit down. Oh, okay. Woo. It's cold. Woo. I had to come back outside so I can go back to my original content that I love, y'all. Doing the lives, conferences, and things like that has pushed me all the way out of my original content and plan. I love doing them, but it caused me a lot of frustration because they were not coming out right, y'all. I'm cold for real today. But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get yourself back right. I had to come back to this original spot so I can get back to my original digital self so that I can come and talk to y'all one-on-one. Okay, look, it's been a lot of stuff happening. I haven't even told y'all half the stuff that's been happening. Lord, tears of joy, tears of cold. Okay, so in my 10 months, my hair has been growing like crazy. Now you're at 11 months and it's still growing like crazy. During my 9th month in February, I looked at my hair. Well, I had been looking at my hair before then and all that too. But I noticed that some of my locks, 2 at the most, maybe like 3, had very thin roots. So my roots were very super thin, like a strand of hair, and then at the end of my locks there would be this big fat lump, and I was very worried about that. So I decided to take those locks down and go back to the trainee and have her reestablish them. Okay, so when I went back, I'm gonna show you the footage. Back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with a dramatic video. I have to take down some of my locks, get them reestablished because they're fat and they're bunching, and I don't like it because it's ugly. And then also I'm getting my locks put back in that slipped. I have one right here that's gone, and I have one over here that's gone. So I'm hurrying up because I'm supposed to be there in 10 minutes. So obviously I'm gonna be late. But she scared me. She wasn't answering the phone. I must have got the wrong time. She sent me to, I thought she said 1. I thought she said call her after 2, but I think she said call her after 3. So I got scared because I called her at 3 and she didn't answer. So I'm like, I ain't taking these down if she ain't answering. But she did answer. She called me back. And she's ready to go.
So tell me what you want and what you really want. I'll tell you what I want and what I really want. So tell me what you want and what you really want.
I put it on last night, a video, but then I ended up deleting it because that got demonetized for the music. Okay, so if you watched it, I know you've seen it, but I was looking at the video, I'm like, you can't really tell that it's an old video. But if you really look at it, I didn't have bangs in that video, so I'm gonna let you see some parts of that video real quick. Okay, now that you're back, what happened when I went to the trainee? When I went to the trainee, she combined 2 of my locks and made it to 1. She tried to reestablish a lock in this area, but as she was reestablishing it, it broke off. My hair broke off because it was too thin in that area. So I have been growing it back since I went to her. She also put in one of my locks that had slippage. That lock has came out again, so I still have loose hair in the front of my hair right here in this area, and I have loose hair in a spot right there. So I don't have the same amount of locks that I started off with. I have to do a recount to find out how many locks I have exactly now. I can show you up close what it looks like. It's been over a month now. It's got the 2 locks reestablished and combined as 1. It was very thin. It looked like it looked when you first get it established. Now it has thickened up and got stronger, so I can show you what it looks like right now.
So what you're saying is it's not enough. Just write it off like a prescription drug. You've been fussing how we never touch, but who can bother with this kind of fussing when we've been walking this blind, frustrated, outdated? What's on your mind? Trouble this time, all on the line. Try trading me places, what would you find?
Okay, so also in this time I had now after all that, I took the class, I became a trainee, and I have done 2 establishments, and I have also done 2 retightenings. So I have 4 official clients. Yesterday I got a call for 2 more establishments for next week. So I'll have 6 official clients already, and it's only been 3 weeks since the class. So I'm thanking God right now for the expansion of my channel and my business and all those things. God has been tremendously good. This time last year, I had no sister locks. I had took down my test locks. I had put some straight back braids in my hair, and I was waiting to go back to my consultant for a new consultation to get my test locks reestablished by another consultant so I can get my hair completely sister lock. So this time last year, y'all, I didn't have any test locks, no sister locks, and also I probably had about 10-20 subscribers. I don't even know. So if you're starting a YouTube channel, just keep the faith, keep strong. It will grow if you remain consistent and if you bring in some heat. Okay, I have 3 more lives planned, and I'm not sure if I'm going to continue to do the lives. I might take a break and then get it all together the way I want it, because y'all, honestly, the lives have been not fun for me. Like, it's been fun, but it's been frustrating at the same time, and I didn't want to do anything on my channel that's going to bring me any frustration. The lives have brought a whole bunch of goodness and a whole bunch of other stuff too to my life. Before I was doing the lives, I was good, I was straight, I was happy. Okay, I'm still happy, but a lot has changed on my channel since I started doing those lives. So I'm like, look, I need to get back to my regular content where I was with you, me and you, happy, you know, teaching, learning, experimenting, trial and error, all that. So I'm going to get back to that. I do love the lives. I'm still going to continue to do the lives, but I'm going to postpone them until I get them where I want them to be. So I hope y'all been enjoying the lives, but we're going to go back to what we know, these videos, okay? So a lot has changed. I had combined locks, I had locks, slippage, I had bunching. I'm gonna say I had breakage, but it wasn't really breakage where my locks just fell out. It broke off. It broke off while she was trying to reestablish it. So that was over a month ago. I haven't been back to her since. I'm gonna have to reestablish my own locks now, and I'm so nervous with doing my own locks, so that's why my hair just been sitting like this. Definitely see the growth. My hair is now just at the bottom of my earlobes without being retightened, without being shampooed. So I have to do my next retightening. I want to see how long my hair has gotten after that. So I really appreciate y'all coming on the channel, supporting me through the lives. I think I did another live the other day, and it was phone to phone, y'all. And I had Latoya DM me like, girl, I can't believe you did that. You cold. You need an award. I was like, she crazy. But that really uplifted me because I was feeling really down and out about that. To the point where I'm like, what is happening? And then I thought about it. Stop doing what is frustrating you and go back to doing what you love. And that's just these one-on-one outdoor talks with y'all. But dang, it's cold out here today, so we got to cut this short. But I do have some more videos coming y'all way, so make sure you subscribe if you're here. I appreciate the love. My channel is growing every single day. I love the family that we have grown to be. Go back and watch some of my old videos if you are planning on getting sister locks. It'll definitely help you and encourage you. I think a big part of my update is the fact that I took the trainees class. I took the Sisterlocks consultant class in Vegas. I'm done with that. I've been accomplishing every single goal that I have been setting out. My goal for my channel was to reach 1K in December and to be monetized, and that happened. God gave me the vision and the idea to start doing these collaborations and lives, and I'm really thankful for that. And I'm thankful for all the beautiful women who have came to my channel and collaborated with me and showed love, and men also as well. Those are not going to stop, y'all. It's going to keep going. It's not going to be every week like that. I'm going to try to figure out a better schedule. If you got some ideas, please drop it down in the comment, y'all. I love to hear from y'all. I love to know what y'all think, because the growth, honey, the growth is real, okay? The growth is real. She's out here swinging, flinging, and about to be hanging. Okay? All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Come back for some more videos. In April, I'm going to be going back to my everyday video countdown to the 12th month anniversary, because I'm about to be a year locked up in this paint. All right, bye. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. That's a lot of hair from 2 locks. It's a lot. It's a lot.
Gone on you with the pick and roll. Younger flame hit mode.